I'm going to LA with my sister because she has an event, but I'm going to be staying for a total of 9 days. So Kayla's work pays for our Uber. Hello. I'm a Nepo baby for the first 3 days. Hey guys, okay, so let me tell you guys a little bit about this trip while I get ready for tonight. I am here for a total of 9 days, and the initial reason why I decided to come to LA was because my sister works for a nonprofit and she does like fundraising events all over the country. And she told me she was doing an event in LA. So I was like, okay, let me fly out with you. I'll go with you. And I actually have a lot of family here. One of my very, very good cousins that like I grew up with lives here now, and she recently got engaged. And honestly, I've just been wanting to see her. This is the Kiehl's moisturizer. I love it. I've been using this for like a year or two now, I think. You need to moisturize a lot, especially after you've been traveling. So I'm gonna see my cousin, Brianna, but then I'm gonna go stay with my godparents and my other cousins. And then I'm gonna do a little day trip with my girl cousin, Belle, to San Diego. I've never been. I've been to California a bunch of times, but it's always to LA. I never like explore. So this time we're exploring. This is the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream. Today, when we got off the plane, my sister was like, we need to go to the location. So we went to, what's it called? Greenwich Park? I forgot. I helped her kind of like set up, make sure all the logistics were in order. It's a 5K and I'm gonna try and run it. My cousin Brianna is texting me because tonight we are going out. I don't really know what out means because we have to be up super early tomorrow for that 5K, but we're gonna go get some dinner, maybe a drink. We were out actually pretty late last night. I did not get any footage. You know when you haven't seen someone in a while and you're just like catching up, like my mind was just not on the camera, and that's a good thing. I was present in the moment, you know? I can't talk much because I'm pretty sure my camera's gonna die pretty soon because I did not charge it last night, but I'm gonna go run a 5K. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I think we're gonna start with what feels like a light jog, and then I'll try to get faster near the end. We just hit a mile, which is nice. I don't feel super tired yet. I think my light jog, oh no, I'm going the wrong way. I think my light jog has been working. Finished my second mile. I have not stopped. I've also just kept the pace. Feeling more tired, but we're doing okay. Okay, 1 more mile left. So I ran a what am I saying? I was about to say a marathon. Okay, so I ran a 5K today. So I definitely, I winged this one. But the weather is so nice. And we were in Griffith. I think I forgot the name earlier. Griffith Park. And it is so beautiful. But yeah, I'm like really proud of myself, to be honest. I wasn't fully sure if I could pull it off, but I did. It's currently 1:13 and I have to go get to a bridal appointment for my cousin Brianna at 1:30, so we've got 15 minutes. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Guys, I feel like today's the day I'm gonna get over my jet lag. I'm gonna go get breakfast with Kayla because she's gonna head out to the airport this morning. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick. The boots are like from the 80s. I stole them from my mother and they are incredible. I think they're 9 West. The skirt is Mad Rag. I think I wore this day one. This little cute tank is from H&M, and then we have some silver and like gold mixed jewelry, because honestly I'm trying to get better at mixing metals. So time to head out. Hello. I feel like you've mentioned Earth Cafe before.
I wanted to try it.
I ran a 5K.
I know. You said you didn't stop, right?
I didn't stop. I ran the whole 3 miles.
You tired?
Yeah, but like it was at Griffith Park, which is actually like really beautiful there. And
yeah,
so
it's pretty.
it was like eye candy the whole time. And since I had never been there, every turn, every corner was like something different and new. So the run never got boring. Good morning, welcome to day 4. So I've actually already had a long day and it's only 9:30. I woke up at like 7 a.m, made some breakfast. I had a really long meeting with a client. So I just got off the meeting and got dressed. This is the fit. Wait, we need the sunglasses. I washed my hair yesterday, so it's looking really pretty, and I love how like there's no humidity really in Los Angeles, unlike Miami, so this blowout's probably gonna last me the whole trip, which is amazing. My cousin Belle and I are gonna go shopping. I think we're gonna do a little thrifting.
It's giving LA. She's a win. She's cute.
We found
Brand new
Zara shoes. They retail for like 50 bucks, but I think they're selling them for like 20 something. I think I'm gonna take this top. I feel like it's super cute, fun for layering. So LA thrifting is always a success. I feel like I found a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be wearing a lot. We're going to the Getty. It's giving No Shave November. Wow. Bella's being my little tripod right now. Thank you to Belle. So we're at the Getty Museum. We're gonna do a little exploring, and then we might get some lunch after it.
Hey girl.
Love the views actually from up here. It's really beautiful, and the weather is just incredible today.
We're at the Getty, girl.
It's about time you get to know Belle. Yeah. So, how old are you?
21.
What did we do for your 21st?
Went to Vegas, girl.
It was a lot of fun.
But I got my phone stolen, my wallet stolen, so a little rough.
Yeah, your first club experience.
My first club experience. I was pickpocketed. So much fun.
Describe me in one word.
Creative.
Ooh, that's a good one. Okay.
Can't go wrong with that
I thought you were gonna say like an airhead. What's your favorite fashion trend right now?
I like that mom jeans came back.
Yeah.
The idea of like wearing a lot of sneakers with like dresses.
Like you and your brother are the ones that like inspired me to get into like sneaker culture a little bit. Like I really don't have like that many cool sneakers, but I'm more open to it now. And I'm wearing like cool Nikes, I feel like, right now. And is there anything you want to say to the world?
Hashtag live, laugh, love.
Oh God. Hearts! What is this? Blueberry muffin Kit Kat. I don't know, I feel like we need to try this. We're trying blueberry muffin Kit Kat for the first time. This is by far the weirdest flavor of Kit Kat I've ever tried. Ready?
She's a weird color. Is it good?
Yeah, it's so good.
Is it?
Mmm. It literally tastes like a blueberry muffin.
Oh my gosh, let me try.
Yeah. It's purple, so it's very aesthetic, but it actually does taste really good.
That's a good Kit Kat.
Right? It's so good. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
Why don't we do a Q&A with Elizabeth?
Oh. What's the question?
I'm thinking of questions.
Oh my god.
For food, do we prefer Miami food or LA food so far?
That's hard. LA definitely has superior Mexican food, but I think I like Miami food more because I think we have like more variety of Latin food. Next.
True or false?
Okay.
Is it true? I don't know, I need to look them up. Hold on. Would you rather be eaten alive by an alligator?
That sucks. Okay.
Or be chased down by a cheetah?
I think the cheetah because I'm scared of drowning and I think the alligator would probably drown me before it ate me. It's just how do you want to go? And I think the cheetah would be a quicker death.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Okay, would you rather not be able to speak for the rest of your life or not be able to see?
Ooh, that's so good. I think that like I really like to talk, but I think I'm such a creative and visual person, so it's really difficult. I would say not be able to speak because I can find other ways to speak, but taking away my vision, there's no replacing that.
Would you rather be stranded on an island with no communication for 6 months, or would you rather be stranded in the ocean for a week with nothing though? All you have is one pack of bread in the ocean.
Or the island?
Or the island.
I'd pick the island because the island I could probably...
For 6 months?
Yeah, because I can learn how to meditate, I can learn how to do like all sorts of weird like hippie shit, and I could probably find food on the island, like bananas or like I can climb
But you
a
wouldn't
tree.
rather just like suffer for a week?
No.
Versus 6 months?
It's just like a week on the ocean, like you can die.
You can't survive without 3 days without water.
You
Exactly.
can drink salt water.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. You'll dehydrate.
Oh yeah, the salt.
So like on the island, at least I can you boil the water and it
Oh, that's
and
true.
it hydrates it. I don't know what it does, but it does something so that it's drinkable. So I think I would survive probably.
It purifies the water.
Yeah, it purifies
You could drink
the
your
water.
pee though.
Ew.
Can we just talk about how she's a Stanley girl now?
Oh my god. This is not my doing.
It's mine. Okay, so I know you're very into fashion. Would you rather have your dream purse collection or your dream shoe collection?
Purse. That's easy.
That was so fast.
That's easy. You know why? It's more from an investment standpoint. Shoes, you walk around and you damage them much quicker. But a purse, you can probably like maintain it for much longer.
Yeah.
It can go down generation to generation and it could hold its value longer, I feel like, than shoes. So 100% purses. Like as a thumb ring, like that's freaking adorable. I think they're like $1.99. They're like super cheap.
She's cutie.
Good morning from San Diego. We have a full day today. I ordered a lavender matcha latte, so we're starting off the day with that. We're gonna go vintage shopping today, and we're gonna explore maybe the beach area. I don't know, Belle is my tour guide, so I don't really know what the plan is, but I know we're gonna go vintage shopping, so that'll be fun.
We're in Seaport Village. What'd you think? Pretty.